Hello guys, so I'm going to show you how to scroll left and right on the CapCut timeline with the shortcut. So as you can see, I'm trying to scroll left and right with the shortcut, but it seems not working. So first of all, you need to make sure you set up the shortcut correctly. So for my case, I'm using Shift and scroll. So you just click on the Shift and apply the shortcut that you want and then save it. So now you should go to your third-party mouse software. You should have one because apparently CapCut doesn't work with third-party mouse software. So for my case, I need smooth scrolling and reverse scroll. So either you can disable it, or for my case, I will just add it as an exception. So I'll just choose for the CapCut, and then I will keep the reverse, but I will just disable for the smooth scrolling. After that, I just go back and I'll apply for the shortcut. As you can see, now it's working perfectly.